a little technical here. We're going to try to demonstrate the flight trajectory through water. As on the board, we've got the little official scientific grid on each one. They are also numbered as well, if you can see that. Okay, what we're doing is just gonna have one. So here we go. Labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're doing this at 50 yards to actually see how it goes through the water jugs and see what it does. Water flight trajectory. This is a Hornady Black and 300 Blackout. About 50 yards or so shooting. Got the little 1/4-inch board with the official scientific grid drawn on them to give an idea of how much it should sway. Killed it. Alright, the humidity just kicked up a lot out here, so that might come in a little fuzzy. I'm trying to see. Wipe off the camera lens. Alright, as you can see, we have entry on the first one, water jug. Hit the second one, so it's basically staying about the same path. That actually might be just a hair bit lower if you're going center of the hole. So that'd be just a hair bit lower and totally obliterated by the third jug. So no, actually the second jug. So it didn't even make it into the third and fourth board to go further. There's that, and then just a hair bit lower through one water jug going. So it was actually veering down, is what it looks like, and that is what's left. Thanks for watching.